Sebuah kejutan besar datang dari region North America. Salah satu pemain paling ikonik di skena MLBB internasional, Mobazen, secara mengejutkan mengumumkan bahwa ia akan berhenti bermain Mobile Legends. Keputusan ini diambil setelah dirinya dan timnya, SAAT-UL, didiskualifikasi dari ajang bergengsi MSSC XEWC Riyadh 2025. Apa yang sebenarnya terjadi dan apakah keputusan ini adil? Mobazen yang awalnya berniat untuk push global leaderboard dengan hero andalannya Yi Sun-shin, YSS, sebuah langkah yang menunjukkan bahwa dia masih semangat berkontribusi dalam komunitas MLBB. Namun, semuanya berubah ketika Monton secara resmi mendiskualifikasi tim SAAT-UL NA dari MSC XEWC.
What is up? BTK is banned from MSC. We're not playing him out today. Absolutely not. I might actually switch to HOK. I might do it. That's bad. I really might switch to HOK, excuse me. And I want you guys to know, HOK was amazing throughout all of this. You know, they knew about all the complications and stuff. They were actually, like, you know, we still had to do what we had to do, but they were trying to help as much as they could. I actually did want to really grind YSS and get him global, but Mobile Legends has just spit on everybody's face, and for me to ignore that and still play, I cannot. This is even worse compared to when I got banned in 2023 from the MSC. At least those reasons were actually, valid. Like, we couldn't really travel, and they weren't even really valid. They gave us like 3 hours after the finals to change our roster to actually be applicable to go. You know, that was trash as well. This is even worse, I would say. It's even worse. You know what I mean? And treating us like pigs, bro. Like, fucking, yeah. I can't do it. I might actually switch to HOK.
Alasannya, dua pemain mereka, Hun dan Mobazen, mengikuti campaign promosi game kompetitor bernama Hook yang dianggap melanggar regulasi turnamen. Tapi, disinilah letak kejanggalannya. Secara teknis, View Chicken mengatakan apa yang dilakukan Mobazen dan Hun tidak melanggar aturan aktif pada saat itu.
We have been forced to withdraw due to unfair restrictions and basically bullying from Moonton. First of all, I do not blame Hoon or Zane, and neither should anyone. This campaign was planned a while back, and when they planned the campaign, they made sure in the MSC rulebook that it would be allowed. Because the MSC rulebook only applies from July 10th to August 2nd, and the HOK campaign period was June 27th to June 28th. Fast forward to a few days ago, because this campaign was planned a while back. Now we're going to go to a few days ago, and the HOK campaign was announced publicly, and Moonton immediately sent an official notice to us that if Hoon or Zane did partake in the campaign, that they will be banned from participating in EWC. The question being again, what rule did we specifically break? And this was the official response. The phrase from July 10th to August 2nd, 2025 is a temporal modifier that qualifies the clause have been qualified to play. This means that the dates tell us which teams the rules apply to. Teams qualified for the tournament, and that takes place between July 10th and August 2nd, not when the rules are in force. So the time frame restricts the event, not the applicability of the rules.
Mobazen adalah ikon dari MLBB NA dan kepergiannya bisa menjadi pukulan fatal bagi pertumbuhan ekosistem di sana. Keputusan Mobazane untuk mundur bisa dimengerti. Ia adalah pemain yang berdedikasi, loyal, dan sudah membawa nama MLBB NA ke panggung dunia. Namun, banyak orang menilai cara Moonton menangani situasi ini terkesan tergesa-gesa, tidak transparan, dan tidak konsisten secara waktu dan aturan. Apakah Mobazen benar-benar akan pensiun selamanya? Dan apakah kepercayaan komunitas NE terhadap MLBB masih bisa diselamatkan? Nah, jadi gimana nih guys menurut kalian?